Yan siya. Saan na siya?
Hello.
Asan si boss?
Yung
Hi! Uy, where's ate? Wala.
Oh my. Listen to
What's this one? What's this one? Birthday mo ulit? Yeah. As long as you promise me, you will be better, okay? Okay? Bob, can you help? Can you help, Bob, on opening? Oh, be careful, be careful. Yan. What's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, you open it na.
How? No gunting.
May gunting ma.
Right
Gunting.
here. Let's go!
Oh. Isan, Bob. Sa likod, Bob. Di, Bob, sa likod muna, nak. Open mo muna yung box. Madali, tulungan mo na lang natin.
Sila wala na lang.
What's that? Ha?
Your favorite dinosaur?
Diba you said yesterday you will be better if I buy you a big toy? Are you okay now?
Oh, this one! Give me that one! Daddy, that's the tail.
Oh, what a big tail.
Hey, look at the big fin!
Ah, may fit din siya. Laki. Pull out nyo muna.
Wait lang, tanggalin.
Tanggalin na lang. Oo. Buksan nyo na lang yung box. I-torment nyo na yung box. Kasi nila naman ang kwan yan eh.
Look at the body.
Yan. Oh, laki. It's a big chunk of dinosaur. Pet. Basta galing ka na ha. Opo. Para uwi na tayo. Laro tayo dami dinosaur. Okay? Watch your hand. Watch your hand. Dali, ikaw na nga lang atin. Yan.
Oh, tickle!
Ayan, dyan na lang, Bob. Dyan. Ingat yung kamay mo na. Natapit daw siya ng matulog. Ayabot na. Kuya Bob, you help. You help, Kuya Bob. Oh. Wow.
Look at Owie.
Oh, the color like that. Wait lang, there's a pattern. There's a pattern. Wait lang. Oh, yan.
Oh!
Oh my goodness, Lai.
Oh my god! Can you hold it?
Oh, picture kayo. Kuya, dali, picture. Bob. Bob. Bob, tingin Bob, Rain, tingin dito.
Baby. So heavy.
So big.
It's heavy.
It's like a pet.
Yeah, it's like Bruno. Oh,
We call this one T-bone. His T-bone.
he just swallowed.
Ha?
He just swallowed